Sunil is connected to Mohun Bagan. I mean, for people who don't know, his family is Subroto Bhattacharya, one of the legends of Mohun Bagan, and somebody very close to me is family to Sunil. So, and I used to go and stand in the ramparts as a young boy, buying tickets of 60 paisa to see Mohun Bagan. Wow. And then we used to celebrate Bablu Da as Roger Milla when that year when he was coming up and scoring those goals when Mohun Bagan would not be able to score. So that's how we were euphoric Mohun Bagan fans. So it will be ATK Mohun Bagan Bengaluru FC will be a special match for sure. Sunil, after you, who? That's a question I keep asking myself, whether it's a Manbir. I keep seeing, lots of talent there. But do you really see that after Sunil Chhetri, that supply line is there for Indian football? Because last year, while commentating for the ISL, for example, I was a tad sort of taken aback that, oh, you know what, if Sunil goes, then who? I wasn't able to pinpoint. Are you satisfied with what you are seeing?
Well, there are many, Boryada, many. But I always say this, after me, we don't need a Sunil Chhetri. We need much more better than Sunil Chhetri. Where you and me want to see Indian football, only one Sunil Chhetri will not suffice. We need many more and many more better than me. If we want to be progressive, if we want to reach where we want to reach, we need many more talents. And I'm very hopeful and happy that there are. I think I would not give names of the right ones who are under me right now, because then I have to take all of their names. They will kill me. But one team that I can tell you is the under-16 team under Bibiano. All these kids are amazing. They are miles better than what we were when we were under-16. They give me a lot of hope and joy. What it does also, it increases the benchmark for the below ones who are going to follow them. And that is how you improve as a nation.
Sunil, amazing. I mean, ultimately a team will be as good if the supply line and the junior level is better, because that's where you will see very different things and a very different footballing culture. Last question, Sunil. You've achieved everything. You said you are living a dream. All I will say is let that dream continue. But is there anything left for you? Do you want to see, before you close out, maybe, whenever you want to take Indian football to a particular level, BFC to a particular level? What does Sunil Chhetri, what is the motivation? I mean, I know you're a super athlete, like the way you describe, but what keeps you going and how do you handle pressure? Because do you eat pressure? Like some athletes say, pressure is a bedfellow. For me, I want to understand that day in, day out, we keep talking Sunil Chhetri, leader, captain, etc. How do you live that pressure?
I probably have found a sweet spot in my head where I keep all these things away, Boryada. I think 2011 is when I became the national captain. And then for a couple of years, I was, fighting with my own demons as to putting pressure on myself. And when you start hearing things here and there, it is too much. We are a huge nation. If you start reacting or thinking about what people think, because we have lots of people and we have a lot of opinions and we have a lot of expectations, then you will not be able to play at all. So I think now in my career, I've found a sweet spot. When I do well and people praise me, I stay calm. When I don't do well and people abuse me, I stay calm. At the end of the day, I don't have many years left in football. So I want to enjoy each and every training, each and every game that I have got. And that's it. That's my mantra. I just see the next 1 week. As you ask me, what's my next motivation to achieve? I do not have any. I just want to train the next 1 week and thinking about FC Goa right now, because that's who we're going to face in the first game. And rest, I don't put myself into pressure at all, because no matter good things or no matter bad things that I talked about, it's not going to help me on the ground. The more focused I am in what I can do is what is going to help me. So that's what I do.
My time's up. So I will close this show saying this is a real show for a real man. Inspiration is the other name for Sunil Chhetri. I will maintain this, that he was modest, but I will take what he said to me. All I will say is, like he said, he's got not many years in football, so he enjoys every day. Like him, you and me, the millions who have admired Sunil over the last 18, 20 years, every time he steps on that pitch, whether it's for Bengaluru FC or for India, let's soak it in. Because there's one Sunil Chhetri. Yes, maybe in future we'll have somebody better to take Indian football forward, but never underestimate the contribution of this man, for he has always been the foundation. Because the superstructure can only be built on a foundation which is strong. And Sunil has helped build that foundation. Sunil, be who you are. You are a true inspiration, a dear friend, and a perfect role model for Indian football. Thank you very much to you, and all the very best to Bengaluru FC. When you play TK Mohun Bagan, I know my loyalties will be divided, but other than that, it's always for Sunil Chhetri. Thank you very much.
Boria, thank you so much for all the sweet words. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone.